This is our luxury A-frame Amish built park model. This one is approximately 14 by 44. Got a huge 11-foot by 14-foot front covered porch. Just a beautiful structure here. Let's take you inside. I mean, as you can see, it's very wide on the front. That porch is just absolutely beautiful. Let's take you inside this one and show you what it looks like. Before we do, look at that. You got that premium ribbed black metal. You got all that knotty pine recessed lights. You got the fan up there. It just looks beautiful. I love that Scandinavian look, you know what I'm saying, with the black and the knotty pine with it. So let's go inside and show you what it looks like when you walk inside. Now, check this out. You got the ladder that goes up to the loft, where I already got my son up there hanging out. He loves to find them lofts. I'm telling you, the kids love the lofts up there. So they got a loft up there. You got a ladder to get up there, so it's very accessible. Let me kind of take a couple steps up. How is it up there, buddy?
I love it. Yeah,
so he's up there in the loft. He's 10 years old. Over here, you could easily fit a king-size bed, 3 twin beds, or a couple of full beds, or a couple of, I don't think you could get 2 queens up here. Maybe get 2 queens, but you could ever get 2 fulls, 3 or 4 twins, and 1 king up here. One of those kind of options you could get up there. Super cool kind of ladder system here. When you walk in, you see you got this little kitchen island here for cooking. You got your nickel gap walls, which I think are super cool. You got the nickel gap. And you got your little kitchen here with your built-in kitchen sink. You got your slow close cabinets. Got a big old window here. Frigidaire, full size dishwasher built into your kitchen island. Behind me, you got your refrigerator, all kinds of kitchen cabinets, General Electric brand, full size range and microwave. As you go down the hallway, you got a stackable washer and dryer, Whirlpool. Again, I love these lovely nickel gap walls. Over here, beautiful setup. You got your commode, full-blown walk-in shower with the glass doors. Okay, and you got your kind of like quartz or ceramic walls there, which looks super cool. And then you got your mirror there for your sink, cabinet underneath, your GFIs. Very cool. Very, very cool. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Super contemporary slide. It's like a farmhouse feel to it. It's like a farmhouse feel. Look, I turn around and look at that open. Very livable, very open. Again, you see all them windows, all that natural light. You got your Bosch mini split up there. You see what I'm saying? It's just absolutely beautiful. Look at them floors. Just absolutely beautiful. Isn't that pretty? So keeping it moving here, you go down, and down the hallway, you got this. What's in here? Nice size closet. You even got a little light in here. Hit the switch. There's your switch to it. I hit it. Bang, bang. And look at that. All kinds of storage space there for your goodies. Okay, in the hallway. And here's the star of the show right here. Inside the master bedroom, we got that A-frame. Okay, so this is the luxury A-frame park model. I'm 6'6", y'all, and I'm putting my hands all the way up, and my hands is nowhere near hitting the top of this. So when you walk in here, it just feels awesome. I mean, this is a queen size bed for reference. This window does open up, by the way. You can kind of see it's got one of the cranking deals on it. So it's got the screen on it as well. So you can open that up and get some fresh air on the one side. And look how cool this looks, guys. Look how cool this looks. Got your Bosch mini split in here. You got your remote control. Put you a television right there on that corner. Or better yet, skip the TV and just look at your views, right? What you need TV for when you got views like this? Look at this. Just taking the earth, taking the land, taking the elements. Isn't that pretty? Imagine just chilling here on your land and looking out to the woods. I mean, this is the money shot right here. Absolutely beautiful. And again, remember guys, what you see here on the walls is not sheetrock. This is not drywall. This is, listen, you hear that? That's solid wood, y'all. That's birch, painted white. The Amish don't use sheetrock because these things are built to be moved. And when you move sheetrock, it can warp, it can crack, it can come off the walls. But this birch, this is solid wood. This ain't going nowhere. The way it leaves the factory is the way it's gonna show up on your land. Intact and solid, well built. You know, the Amish are all about craftsmanship and real wood. Open up the closet here behind me, and you got your closet here, and then of course you got that looks like a 30-gallon water heater. Now, of course, remember, you can also go tankless if you want to do tankless as well, but that looks like about a 30-gallon water heater there. Again, everything you need, nothing you don't. There's your electrical box. And again, for me, this is what sells me here on this home. Because you can put this anywhere and you can live in this. I mean, I'm 6'6", 240 pounds. I can live in this full time, no problem. And that's one of the issues I run into as a bigger fella is, you know, I walk in a lot of these tiny homes, and there's just not a whole lot of them that I could envision myself with, as tall as I am and my weight, my size, living in there for an extended period of time. But this one here, this is one of my favorites, with how tall the ceiling is, how open this A-frame feel is, where you're looking out on the land, where you can still get, I mean, you can get a king size bed in here, no problem. You can see it over here. This is a queen, and see how much space you got, which that's one thing I would do being a bigger guy, is I'd go ahead and put a king size bed here right off the rip. And being able to fit a king size bed, it's checking all my boxes. It's checking all my boxes. You got a little built-in right here, little built-in nook. Put your books and your cell phone on, and just awesome. So I'm saying, just absolutely. And again, like I said, this window does open up, because you know, you'll see some of these built where all this is sealed off. You can't open up no windows and get no fresh air, which to me, that defeats the purpose. But this whole section right here, not only does it open up, but it's screened in to keep the bugs out. So you open that up, get you some fresh air during the day or in the evening time. Close it up when it rains and enjoy your mini split. Man, it feels beautiful in here. They got it at a perfect like 78 degrees or 75 degrees. It feels great. So let's take you guys back out. Again, this to me is the money shot. This is the money shot, guys. Right here. I love it. This A-frame luxury park model. This one takes the cake for me. High ceilings, big A-frame, absolutely beautiful. Again, I love the nickel gap walls. I love the nickel gap walls. Look at that. Beautiful. There's your bathroom again. Full walk-in glass. I mean, that's like a regular house. Again, with the nickel gap going all throughout. There is your sink area. And we got our lovely Nadia hanging out there, talking to customers on text messages, phones ringing off the hook. Again, down the hallway, remember I already showed you the closet. That was in here. Let me show you one more time. So I turned the light on so you can see it real good. Look at this really good sized closet. Maybe it can double up, part storage, part pantry for the kitchen goods, for your canned goods. Hang up your jackets in the wintertime. Okay, going on back. Again, this is your stackable. Got your dryer on top, your washer on the bottom. Of course, you got to go with the brand name Whirlpool. And again, this is another money shot situation, right? You got your island kitchen, full-size dishwasher, slow close closets, quartz countertops. Okay, all kinds of natural light busting through. My son popping up top. Like a kid in a candy store up in that loft. There's your access to go up to the loft. And full-size range, full-size appliances. Again, got your refrigerator. Very well laid out floor plan, in my opinion. Very well laid out. It wouldn't take nothing to put some couches along this window for your guests. And again, put the grandkids and kiddos up on the second floor. You know they're gonna love it. That's where they like to hang anyways. And then you got the French doors here, again, leading out to your porch on the front side of the structure. Again, this is the one I call the A-frame luxury park model. Beautiful structure. Give us a call today at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. If you're interested in getting some more information about, someone's calling already, about this park model. And as always, if you're a baby boomer or a Gen Xer, don't forget to comment below, boomer or Gen X, or what year you were born. Y'all know I'm a 1979 cowboy. So I like to see that I got my age mates and my people watching me, not just the young bucks. So comment Gen X or boomer below, or the year you were born, or both. So I know I got my folks watching me, not just the young bucks. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. We work extremely hard making this content. So every time you leave a comment, you like, you share, you tell your friends about us, it's a true blessing to us, and it keeps us highly favored and motivated to keep making this content.